So here I have two Allen key sets, the Park Tool one, the P-handle one, and the Pedros one. Now, I like the Pedros one. This is what my shop, the shop I work at has. This is what I own. I do find the Pedros one better. A couple reasons. One, this sleeve, it's actually in order instead of random like the Park Tool one. Well, not random, but you know, the Park Tool one has 2.5 on this side, 3, 4 on this side, and keeps on going up till 8 or 10. And you never know what one you're pulling unless you look right at the number, just because it's not in line like this. These are really easy to put in and out of here when it's on a wall. So I like that. One really big deal, in my opinion, is the length of this 5mm one. Now, you think since it's a bike tool specific, that this would be long enough to fit in derailleur bolts. It kind of fits, but it's not all the way. It doesn't get full engagement in the tool, in the bolt. So here's the Pedros one. Got a measurement caliper here. I'm reading 21.5mm or so. So let's say 21mm, and then Park Tool, 14mm. Yeah. So that is a big deal to me, because you're going to round out a bunch of these bolts with the Park Tool one. Look, that still has some sticking out. I know you don't want them to be monster long because they'll break, but yeah, look at that. So that's fully engaged. This, first I have to make the derailleur move a bit, just so it doesn't hit off the, right here. Engaged but not fully. See that wobbliness? Yeah. Don't like that. These are, the Pedros are, the handles are pretty soft compared to the hard plastic here. Not a big deal, depending on what you like. And yeah, just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.